Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to On. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a pound cake from scratch. It is so simple, easy, delicious, and if you're a fan of pound cake, you would definitely enjoy this recipe. And it'll be the best pound cake you ever had. Alright, you ready? Let's go bake some pound cake magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, in my large bowl, I have 3 sticks, which is 1.5 cups of salted unsalted butter. And we're going to add in 3 cups of white sugar. Seems like a lot, but remember, we're making a pound cake. Pound cake like it nice and sweet. And we're going to cream all this until it's nice and fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 5 jumbo eggs at room temperature. I'm going to add them one at a time. Alright, last egg. Blend all this in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1/4 cup of half and half, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of butter extract. And blend all of this until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 3 cups of sifted self-rising flour, and we're going to alternately add in 1 cup of evaporated milk, beginning and ending with flour. Alright, and last of the flour. Blend this until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, this is what our cake batter look like. Luscious, smooth, and creamy. Ooh, I can smell the butter extract too. Smells amazing. Alright, that looks perfect. Now we're ready to pour our cake batter into our greased bundt pan. Alright my friends, I got all my batter into my pan. Now we're ready to bake this sister. We're going to bake it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake 1 hour or an hour and a half until a toothpick in the center comes out clean. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, there you have it. Buttery pound cake. Look at my beautiful soul sister. See how nice and golden brown she looks? And it smells awesome in this kitchen. Alright, I let my pound cake rest for about 30 minutes and then I removed it from the pan and put it on a cake plate. Alrighty my friends, I fixed me up a plate, and there's one more thing I gotta add to it. A scoop of vanilla ice cream. Yes! You can't have cake without ice cream, sugar. Alright, let's give this a taste. Look at that texture. You can tell it's nice and moist. Lord have mercy. OMG. This pound cake is so tender and moist, bursting with buttery goodness. This is a vanilla bite, and I got me a little ice cream. Oh, it melts in your mouth. Pound cake-licious. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.